We have 51 instrumental music programs throughout Europe and the Pacific, with about 7,000 band instruments. For a student, the instrument has to be absolutely perfect. Otherwise, the student thinks that it's them that can't play. And so you can't hand an instrument that isn't playing properly to a beginning band student. My teacher actually called me and said, "I think this is your baby." He said, "It's working for the Department of Defense schools in Germany." I've been here ever since. 31 years I've worked for DoDEA.
Music instrument repair facility is there to help those instruments maintain a good playing order. Without them, we wouldn't be able to have an instrumental program.
Well, when you see their eyes open and say, "Wow, it wasn't me, it was the instrument," because they don't realize that the instrument wasn't tuned properly, regulated properly, and so they're thinking that they are no good at being a musician. And when you hand them an instrument back that plays like it's supposed to, and they go, "Wow, it's never played this good," that's a nice pat on the back.